Bwemwega, welcome back to Darasa Kikwetu, where learning is made easy. Now, in this lesson, I am teaching you sea animals and birds. Sea animals and birds. Now, sea animals, in Kikuyu we say, nyamo cia iria-ine. So, iria is sea. Iria. Okay? So, iria-ine is in the sea, or they belong to the sea. Or we can say nyamu cia maĩ-inĩ. Nyamu cia maĩ-inĩ. Now that can mean animals of water, of the water, okay? Because maĩ is water. Now let's start with hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is known as guo. 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 Okay? Guo. Now a fish, we say dhamaki. Dhamaki. Now dhamaki is from samaki, Swahili. Samaki, dhamaki. But in the Bible, you find that they say kyogoyo. Kyogoyo. Kyogoyo, which is also a fish. So, dhamaki or kyogoyo. Okay? Now next we have crocodile. Crocodile in Kikuyu is known as kengangi. 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 Okay? Kengangi. And alligator, where I come from, we call them yesana. 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 I found out that a whale in Kikuyu is known as rewiadhani. Rewiadhani. Can you say that? Rewiadhani or rewiadhani. 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 Okay, that's a bit difficult, but you can write it down so that you remember. Now let's move on to birds. Birds are known as nyoni. 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 Now let's start with ostrich. Ostrich is known as nyaga. Nyaga. I'm sure you've heard of that name because it's a person's name. Again, I think the Gikuyus name their kids after animals. So animals, birds, yeah, nyaga, gare. So yeah, nyaga is ostrich. Now next we have fowl. So some of them are known as guinea fowl. So they are wild chicken. They are known as gaga. 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 Alright. Next we have turkey. Turkey in Kikuyu is known as bata mosiga. Bata mosiga. Right? Bata mosiga. Next, we have dove. A dove in Kikuyu is known as dutura. Dutura. Again, dutura. A hawk is known as deri. Deri. Again, deri. Or hogo. Hogo. Again, hogo. Now next we have eagle. Eagle is known as, come on, you can try it, ruege. 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 And then we have a raven. Raven is known as ihuru. 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 And finally we have crow. Crow, we call it igogo. 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 And sometimes we say kegogo. Again, kegogo. Right, now we already learned chicken. Chicken is goko, right? We say that. And then we say that a cock is known as jaba, and a hen, muera, and a chick, we said, is gasui, right? So that is the end of this lesson. Now see you on the next one as we learn something else. Tigwawega.